Hi, welcome back. My name is Catherine and this is episode 4 of Branding Basics for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to share 3 tips that I always use when writing copy to ensure that it's always on brand and connects with my ideal audience. Writing copy is often a very dreaded task because people aren't comfortable writing, but using these tips will simplify the task and hopefully make it a little less daunting. No matter the industry you're in, you're going to write copy that you need to ensure is on brand. This will be particularly helpful for people that write newsletters or blog posts or social media posts, but it applies to every aspect of writing that you do for your brand. Tip number 1, be concise. What is the message that you're trying to get across? Decide on what exactly it is that you're trying to say, and then try to say it in as few words as possible to create greater impact. Using fluffy words and run-on sentences often distracts your reader from your core message. Once you've written your first draft, go through it again and eliminate any unnecessary items to ensure that you're getting straight to the point and that your message is clearly expressed. This is also about respecting your reader's time by getting to your point as quickly as possible. Tip number 2, know your audience. I have stressed this pretty much in every video I've created. And when you're crafting your content, you need to be speaking directly to your ideal audience. This will inform the way you speak, the terms you use. Think about how they communicate and speak to them in a way that they'll best understand. Also, think about what content they consume, what motivates them, and how you can incorporate those elements into your own writing to better connect with them. And tip number 3, proofread. The last thing that you want to happen is to have a potential client spot a spelling error. It's unprofessional and is a really easily avoided mistake because pretty much every piece of technology comes with a spell check now. Or you can have a friend or colleague proofread your work before you click publish or send. Sometimes the problem is just that you have read the same piece of content 100 times and it's so easy to miss those minor little errors. So having someone take a look with a fresh pair of eyes is a big help. This is such a simple tip that will save your reputation in the end. Okay, and that's it. So to recap, the 3 tips are: be concise, know your audience, and proofread. It's as easy as that. These are just some of the copywriting tips that I refer to when I'm writing for my brand. I'd love to hear what are some of the tips that you swear by when you're writing for your brand. Please leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below so that I know to continue creating content like this. And now to wrap up this video, here are my 3 favorites. Favorite number 1 is an app and it's Pinterest. I always use Pinterest on my desktop, but I love having the app on my phone so that I could quickly refer to a recipe or workout or even a bit of inspiration on the go. My second favorite is an olive ball recipe. Salty olives wrapped in a cheesy pastry. What's not to like? And my third favorite is Stories Told by Sam, a local photographer that I recently worked with on my own branding photo shoot. She was such a pleasure to work with and she's incredibly talented. She also actually recently redid her own branding, so I'm going to link her down below so that you can go show her some love. Thanks for watching my videos and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!